Hey everyone, Steve here, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm building the LEGO Star Wars Imperial TIE Fighter set number 75300. This set has 432 pieces. I've got to say, the box art on this set looks absolutely awesome. There are some really cool, nice detailed orange explosions in the background. We've got the Death Star up in the top right hand corner. And then down in the bottom right hand corner, we've got the three minifigures here. So we've got the TIE Fighter pilot, we've got an NIL-8 protocol droid, and we've also got a stormtrooper. And then on the back of the box, we've got the TIE Fighter hanging out in an Imperial hangar with the three minifigures as well. We've got the detail of the spring-loaded shooters up in the top right. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to build this set, and then at the end of the video I'm going to give you a quick review on what I thought this set was like to build and what I think of this Imperial TIE Fighter. Let's get into the build. So let's take a look at the minifigures first. The NIL-8 protocol droid looks okay. The detail on the torso and the legs is really nice, and there's also a little bit of similar detail on the back. The TIE Fighter pilot is next. This minifigure looks amazing. The leg and torso print on this minifigure is absolutely awesome. There's some really cool detail on there with loads of these ventilation pipes going up into the helmet. The helmet itself, again, is very detailed with the Imperial insignia just on the top of the helmet there. The back of the helmet has this open look to it at the bottom. I'm not a huge fan of the look of this helmet, but seeing as this guy sits inside the TIE Fighter itself, I guess that's not that big of a deal, and you're not really going to see the back of his head. And then the last minifigure in this set is the Stormtrooper, and I think this minifigure is a little disappointing. The detail on torso and legs is nice. The thing I really dislike about this minifigure though is the helmet. The helmet is huge and it doesn't turn, so you can't turn this helmet while it's on the minifigure. And just look at his face. So the TIE Fighter itself was awesome to build, and I've got to say, for the number of pieces that you get with this set, you get a really good sized Lego model at the end of it. The detail on this TIE Fighter is awesome, and I think that they managed to capture a good replication of the TIE Fighter that this is based on. The only detail I would say that is missing is perhaps a bit of grey tile on the inside of the wings to replicate sort of the similar detail that you get on the exterior of the wings. But overall, I think this set is well worth the money. This cost me £32.99. The only real negative for me around this set is the Stormtrooper. Other than that, I would recommend anyone picking this set up, and like I said, I think it's well worth the money. I would give this set a very solid 9.5 out of 10. Like I said, the Stormtrooper is the only thing for me that lets it down. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. If you want to watch more Lego build videos, make sure to subscribe with the notifications turned on. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.